with intense snowfall beginning at 6 p.m. and dangerous winds increasing overnight. Tomorrow, our city will face its second snowstorm in less than a month and our first blizzard since 2016. Right now, forecasts predict light snow will begin to fall tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Over the course of the day, it will grow heavier, with intense snowfall beginning at 6 p.m. and dangerous winds increasing overnight. Conditions that will persist through Monday morning and into the evening. We are now expecting between 13 to 17 inches of snow, but there is a slight chance we may see up to 20 inches, if not more. This means we are forecast to receive up to 6 inches more than we received a few weeks ago. New Yorkers can expect that Monday morning commute will be extremely hazardous, with heavy snowfall and peak winds coinciding to create slippery conditions and greatly reduced visibility. Combined with daytime temperatures slipping above freezing and overnight lows dropping to the low 20s, this snowfall will melt, then refreeze, resulting in dangerously icy sidewalks and streets.